BIS 302. How you doing? This is kind of a mid-module 2, what do I call it? A housekeeping video. Um, Things that have come up that I like to keep you guys apprised of. Um, Emphasize certain things. So let's get to it. Okay, just some housekeeping items. When you use disciplines, your concentration slash disciplines as proper nouns, what do? We capitalize, right? Okay, so capitalize your disciplines, your concentrations. Okay, don't just write them lowercase. All right. Please put your name on all submissions. Okay, names on the worksheet somewhere on top there. Just give me a name. Give me a name in your file name that you upload it. Okay. Um, I need to have a name. It's just a pain trying to. I open up a paper and I don't know whose it is when I grade it. Okay. I know that's you know not something you're seeing, but I see it, so I'd appreciate it if you put your name on it. Okay. Um, the first worksheets were good, but they were really good if you had talked to me already, because then you knew what you were doing, right? So everybody else who didn't talk to me yet was kind of just floundering with, good brainstorming, but, not to be devil's advocate when it comes down to how you're going to get your data. There's not, it's going to be either impossible, take way too much time, or you didn't address that. Okay, so uh, if you have had a call with me, you are well on your way, right? I think it's about 12 students out of the 30. That means 18 of you are getting really behind to the degree of you're going to start risking the quality of your work if you go much further. And again, I'm explaining why I do this because I could give the entire class one question, okay? Like, what are the opinions, attitudes, and experiences regarding sustainability behavior revealed in a survey of random adults? But guess what? If your concentrations aren't sustainability or climatology or sociological behavior or something associated with that, yeah, you might just say, this isn't really doing anything for me in a class that I could be learning more about my own interest concentration. So that's why I'm letting you call me so we can talk about what your concentrations are, because everybody's different, what your interests are, and I can give you the question, okay? If you don't do it, you're spinning your wheels. And this class ends a month from today. I can't even believe that we're module 2. Okay, so, and a lot of people, I think you took 3 days off because of the weekend, right? Well, I get it, but you're in a heavy duty summer course that I cannot overstate the amount of work that's going to have to be done that you signed up for, knowing full well it's a 300 level class. So, again, I implore you to set up a call with me, get going, because you're going to have many more questions even after that call. And I hope that, you'll be able to answer them on your own. If you can't, I'll help you out. But you're really not going anywhere until you get a research question, okay? Um, so let's see what else is there. Okay, there's a particular window I see when I look at the grade book and I click on somebody's name. It opens up the side panel and it shows me like current grade and stuff like that. And I just want to say, if you're seeing that and it says like A plus or A or something, why are they doing that? I think that's ridiculous. It's absurd. It's almost like, because I'm seeing it for people that have only done two things, and maybe they did them, perfect score, but it's like current grade in the class A. So I think there's a tendency to sit back and say, oh, I got an A so far, man, I'm cruising. No, no. Remember, this is a points-based class. If you don't get to 700 points, you don't pass. If you get to 800, you get a B. If you get 900, you get an A. Okay? If there's any questions on that, let me know. But I don't like what I'm seeing in this canvas where somebody just click on somebody's name and it just shows they did two things and their current grade's A, let's see the grade, let's see the point total, and I can't see that, obviously. So just remember it's a point total, all right? Other than that, I'm at 5 minutes. That's what I promised you. So get caught up, get ahead. You got to, just going to start working on the lit review really soon. Um, there's just a lot coming, you know. There's a calm before the storm. I wanted you to do it so that you had time to go through those 4 chapters, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 chapters, and get an idea of what research design and methodology is. Remember, all research has a methodology. The methodology, they're qualitative, quantitative, or combined, a mixed methods. Okay, all research has that. Okay, all research has a design. The design can be um, historical, ethnographic, survey, historical, ex post facto, experimental. All right. And remember for worksheet 2, you have an A and you have a B. For each of the first, I think it's 10 questions, you need to list an A and a B, an A and a B, not just A or a B, one from A, one from B, one from A, one from B. Okay. So you got that? All right. You guys, um, no Easter eggs. Sorry, just gray sky and I'm freezing. I'm sorry. This is like aluminum siding, just in case you don't know. All right, have a good day. I wish I could see the sun. Bye bye.